Thank you for joining me for this course, where we got the essentials of the AspNet Core Blazor framework. We first talked about what Blazor is, where we said that Blazor is a .NET single-page application framework. And by using Blazor, we are able to use a single programming language in both front-end and back-end, and that's C#. Of course, in Blazor, if you want to use tools or libraries that are in JavaScript, you can still use them. Next, we built two different applications using the different hosting models that Blazor offers, which are the Blazor WebAssembly and Blazor Server. We talked about their differences and their common points, and also for each Blazor hosting model, we learned about their pros and cons. We said that the main benefit of using Blazor WebAssembly is that it supports offline apps, and also it's fast since it runs on browser only, and the Blazor Server, on the other hand, is great when we don't want your app to be browser dependent. So that way, you can take some of your app processing power outside the browser. Components are the building blocks of Razor pages, so that's what we talked about next, where we built a component, configured routing, and also displayed some data to the view. Additionally, we built a child component, which we use to render data to the parent components. For us to be able to change data between components, we use data binding, and that's what we learned next. We talked about the one-way binding, the two-way binding, and also about the event bindings in AspNet Core Blazor applications. Throughout this course, we created two empty projects, and we modified the Blazor Server app. So if you want to get the final version of the code, you can download it from this link.